Good morning from Pop Century. Everyone had a really good night last night. The little man got up a couple times. His stomach was upset, but everyone got to sleep, which was really, really good. Just going down to breakfast over at Everything Pop, and gonna get back, get the room packed up, get ready to get settled into Grand Flow, and then head over to Blizzard Beach for the first time.
Yeah, you played in that last night. Breakfast.
Go for it.
Smile, buddy. Smile. Hey, what you doing, Papa?
Just finished loading up the truck, getting ready to head over to Blizzard Beach now. First time doing that, so it should be a lot of fun. And then gonna go check into Grand Floridian and get our room set up there.
Look, babe, we'll put you on that all the way up there. I'm kidding.
Yeah, let's see her do Summit Plummet.
That's Mommy's favorite.
I know you can do this, and you're going to do this. Wow, Blizzard Beach is awesome. Disney does water parks right. Go on, baby, go down the slide. Faithy, go down the slide. Yee! Go on. So Blizzard Beach was a really big success. I had a lot of fun. Didn't get to film as much, but that's perfectly fine. We spent a little over an hour in the lazy river, but just got notified our room at Grand Flow is ready, so we're gonna go get checked in, get settled in, and go grab a bite to eat. We're on the second floor. So just getting to Grand Floridian now. Love this resort. It's absolutely beautiful. Cannot wait to go and see what the room looks like.
We've done a lot of the water today. That'll be fun.
Everything checked in. The room's absolutely gorgeous. Heading over to 1900 Park Fair for dinner now. Gonna see some characters. It'll be hopefully a really good meal. We're checked in. All right, go with her. Go with her. Thank you.
So welcome to 1900 Park Fair. Here is where we are here to make wishes come true. So one wish that I have that I need your help with is to turn the music on. Do you want to help me with that?
Can you help her turn the music?
You can help her with that,
Just
Faye.
come over here.
Go on.
Go with her.
Are you coming?
We will
We're
stay
right here.
We can see you, I promise.
Okay. So what we're gonna do on the count of 3 is we're gonna say I wish for the music to turn on, okay?
Can you do it with mommy? Come here.
Come here.
We'll do it all together. Come on, Faye.
Come on, stand up.
You know how you turn your washer on for Gigi?
Come here, ready? We're gonna do it all together.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
I wish for the music to turn on.
You did it! You have
Oh
magic!
my goodness! That's so magical. Yes, of course. For me.
Oh, how about right there near the butterflies?
Right next to the butterflies?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful.
Okay.
Here
Can you
you
show
go.
her? Just like in school. Do you remember how to write your name? All right, come on.
I do it at home too.
Go ahead. F. F. Here, help mommy. Help mommy. Ready? F. A. I. T. H. B. Bravo, baby. I'm so proud of you. Good girl. Yep.
Thank
There
you
you
so
go.
much.
Yeah, I'll sit her and brother on the ends.
Yep, right here.
Here's the beverage menu.
Okay.
Wait for your server to get your beverage ordered,
Okay.
and then you can go to the buffet.
Hi, Mirabelle.
High five. Do you know how to do high five? Look. Will do a high five. Watch. High five? Oh, now you're gonna lie. Now you're gonna make me a liar.
Hey, Will. Will, can you do high five? Will, high five? Oh,
Look at Gigi.
Yeah, you can high five Mirabelle.
Can you high five her?
Here we go.
You want to take a picture with me, Will?
We can do a funny picture.
You want to do a funny picture?
Do you want to do a silly face?
Air hunt.
Or just the normal one?
Faith, you look at the camera. There you go. Oh, without falling.
It's fine. Say thank you. He's gonna be asleep in the stroller.
I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it.
Hey, you know what? If he does go to sleep in a stroller, that means we might actually have a shot at hanging in Magic Kingdom a little bit.
Yeah.
We are.
Where are you guys traveling from?
Delaware.
Delaware. Have I been? No, I haven't been there yet.
You fly over us in like 2 seconds. And we'll see.
Really? What do you think I should do in Delaware?
I don't know.
Everybody goes to the beach. Everybody goes to the beach.
I love that reminds me.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to take any pictures together?
Can you take a picture of the lad? Yeah?
Just stay right here.
Okay. You can just stand next to him. Just stand next to him. That'll be the best.
Right over here, Max.
There you go. Just stand next to him.
Jump
Okay?
back.
There you go. Hey, right here. Faith. There we go.
Good girl.
All right.
Thank you so much.
What you doing, bud? You waving?
Now,
No, maybe I can get you all down at the restaurant. Maybe I can try some beignets, some gumbo, a few cold ones. I think this time we get some good faces in there. I think Louis and Devine are just starting to use me for the food now. Too. So I need somebody that can really give me some good expert opinions, and I think you might be
would you taste her food for her?
try the beignets. I think you might want some.
Great.
We all might we get a photo.
Can we take a picture real quick? We need to finish your dessert.
And I'll let you get back to
Go ahead
your
and stand up. Let me stand next to her. There you go. You got it. Just stand next to her.
All right.
You even got a portrait of me on your shirt on there too.
Look. Look at. There we are, Faith. Look over here. There we go. Good job. You did
Thank you
it.
so much,
I'll
Tiana.
see you down at the restaurant.
All righty. Thank you so
All
much.
right. Thank you, Tiana.
Say bye, Cinderella. Can you just stand next to her in her pretty dress and take a picture?
Yep.
Just stand there.
Yep. Daddy's coming.
Look
There
at
you go.
Daddy. Real
Look.
quick.
Look at Daddy. Eyes open, please. Thank you.
Okay. Say thank you so much, Cinderella.
Faith. Faith, why don't you give her a hug? Give her a hug.
Thank you so much.
All you gotta do is think of a wish. It can be as simple as a feeling, or your heart's greatest desire. Got it? Wonderful. Here we go. Hold your wish high in the air.
Put it high in the air, Faith. Wave it. Wave it.
Go on, help them out if they need it.
Put it up to the stars.
Wish makers do.
As wish makers do.
And believe in myself
And believe in myself
to make it come true.
to make it come true.
Beautifully done. Funny thing about wishes. Some have it right away.
Once again, dinner in 1900 does not disappoint. Really good food. We were actually the very first family sat, and we even got the little pin that says we were 1900's family of the day. Faith got to do a little magic and turn the music on, so that was a really, really cool experience. The characters were as always, were incredible. So just a really good time, and now we're just me and the missus are taking Faith back to Magic Kingdom for the night.
Next stop is the Magic Kingdom. That's where we're going. We're not stopping. We're going. Silly goose.
Not a whole day.
Not a whole day. It's the big double stroller.
Uh-huh. Her Majesty.
Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your
Maybe there's a lot of hoppers.
Para sus seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga.
Yeah.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to Green and Red Line.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through. I find two of my favorite spots.
Yeah, back outside.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
The most refreshing retreat in the galaxy. The coral reefs of Pisces 7. You H2 owe it to yourself. Book today.
You're fine, baby.
It's all good, Faith.
Still detecting more trouble at Sector 9. My guys, the work of that nefarious criminal, a sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance.
Faith, come on. Get him. Come on, baby. Get him. Get him. Put both hands on it. And press the button. See, press that button. You gonna do it? Press the button right here. Yep, that's how you fight her. That's how you get the bad guys. Woo! There you go. Keep getting them.
I didn't win this.
Yes, you are. You're getting them.
Got it. Keep going.
Keep getting them. Go get him, Mace. Get him. Get him. Get served.
We did it.
Check this dashboard to review your score. Remember, you're infinity and beyond.
I'm fine with that. Where you go, Faith?
Up. Up in the sky.
Woo! Go up. All the way up. All the way up. Woo!
Not yet.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, this here is your lucky day.
I go say hi. Go ahead. It's your turn.
You can go to the right side for me.
Dad wants me to say hi.
Can you hold her hand? Yes. Say hi. Pose. Look right here. Okay. Now it's your turn, baby. Go ahead. We're gonna go right over here.
You got to talk to Minnie.
Oh, such love. Good girl. Say, Minnie, you're our favorite. We love Minnie. Oh, all the princesses. I don't know if you're a princess or not. It depends on the Oh, stand up, baby. Can you take a pretty picture with Minnie?
Yep.
And look right here.
Look right there.
Right at the rainbow. Right at the rainbow. All the times. You wanted mommy time? So we're here. And we're riding a lot of rides together. What? What do you want to tell me? You gotta get over this fear, baby.
She's 3. That's where it came from.
Up there, so please don't lose items before we take off.
Oh yeah. You're fine, baby.
Not a big drop. It goes down and turns. Watch. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Was some dirty piece of candy. I had a hell of it, and I don't think it's going down very well. King Triton got all mad and told Sebastian the crab to watch over. Then there was lots of dancing and singing.
You're fine, baby. Look. It's pretty. It's so pretty.
Dancing, strolling along down what's that word again? Street.
Under the sea, under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me.
You'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways. Repentance and the blinded made a switch. Yes.
Shine, gonna kiss me, incredible. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, that side, they need to shake. You wanna kiss here.
of the nickel East Wind traded prices.
There's the cripple.
He'll never reach that.
Uh-oh, we're bouncing. We're bouncing. We're bouncing like Tigger.
Perhaps everyone can move. They're still hungry. Still hungry.
Uh-oh, look at flooded everything. It rains. There's a ducky. Look at the ducky.
Goodness gracious.
Very big waterfall.
Last rain went away.
They saved everything.
No, you love me always. You just don't always like me. Kind of like her. Mine train's only 25 minutes. No way. I've always wanted to do this. Yes. Spin it, Faith. You turn it. You turn it. Just got to do the absolute coolest thing ever in Disney. We just happened to hear of a 25-minute wait for Mine Train, got in line, got on the ride, as Happily Ever After was reaching its finale. Single-handedly the coolest thing I've ever done, and I've had some pretty magical memories here in these parks. Just beyond blessed tonight. So did the teacups after, just kind of let the crowd dissipate a little bit, but now we're gonna go ahead and head back to the room. Not sure if we're walking or taking the boat yet, but we shall see. Tired like a Disney tired. So we ended up taking the boat back over to Grand Floridian. Yeah, we're gonna go left here. And we're definitely gonna be taking the monorail moving forward. It was a nice ride. I'm not gonna say that it wasn't, but from a convenience perspective, we had to take the stroller apart. We had a sleeping kid. It was just not the most convenient thing that we've done, but you live and learn. I'm glad we did it, but at the same time, it'll be the monorail or I'm walking the rest of the week.